We are so sad today. We're somber, we're sentimental, we're full of tears that are gonna flood this entire place. So we're gonna start off by doing a move I'm sure you've done before. It's gonna go like this. Here we go! Spread your sorrow. Oh my God, point at a responsible guy, if you can find one. Again, around. Cutie girl, walk, go.
A little initiative can go a very long way.
Other way.
Baby, just do the dishes. I'll give you what you want. A little communication, yes, that's my ideal foreplay. Assemble a chair from IKEA. I'm like,
Spread your sorrow.
At the thought of you. Being a responsible guy. Treating me like you're supposed to do.
Last one.
Tears run down my thighs.
Cutie girl, walk.
A little respect for women can get you
Point
very
it
far.
out. You're playing hard to get. You stop it.
Considering I have feelings, I'm like, why am I close to one?
Last one.
Offering to do anything, I'm like,
Spread your sorrow.
I get wet at the thought of you. Being a responsible guy. Treating me like you're supposed to do.
Last one.
Tears run down my thighs.
Dance practice. Step and step. Step and step. Pivot, turn. Pivot, turn, shimmy it out. Like you're in Studio 54, baby. Step, throw. Step, throw. Run it back.